The Science of Workplace Wellbeing. These courses will help you gain clarity, gain energy, and help with your sleep, even if this hasn't happened since your university days. It'll help you decrease your sugar cravings so you are far more alert for your afternoon calls with clients or your team meetings. It's also going to help improve your memory and your learnings in your daily life, even if you aren't a spring chicken anymore. These workshops are also going to help you improve your diet so you are more likely to be at a healthy weight, which has a direct correlation to reducing your energy mentally and physically, lowering your immune system, and making you susceptible to colds and flus and viruses. I want to reduce your risk factors for burnout and exhaustion. I even want you to believe that it is possible to make it through your day without excessive caffeine, too much chocolate, and multiple sugar hits.